Have you been seeing Pumpfun's tokens launching left and right? People making massive gains and wondering if you could do it too. Maybe you thought about launching your own token, but don't know where to start. What tools you need, how to set up, or even how the entire process works. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Pumpfun Developer Series, where I'll guide you step by step on how to become a successful Pumpfun developer while also helping traders understand the tricks of the trade to avoid falling into traps. Whether you're brand new or have some experience, this series is packed with strategies, insider tips, and actionable steps to help you navigate this space. So before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Trust me, the insights in this series are game-changing and you'll want to stay updated. Now, let me tell you why this series is different. In this fast-paced market, knowing how to create momentum is the ultimate skill. That's why we're diving into the techniques that experienced developers use to create volume, drive engagement, and paint charts that attract attention. This is knowledge you won't find in basic guides, and is designed to give you an edge. One of the biggest challenges in this space is finding reliable information. Most of what's out there only scratches the surface. My goal here is simple: to cut through the noise and provide you with a clear step-by-step roadmap you can actually use to create successful projects. Over the next few episodes, you'll learn how to master bundling, what it is, why it works, how to use it effectively. We'll explore strategies for creating volume, a crucial element that signals activity and credibility to the market. You'll also discover the art of painting charts to make your project look attractive to bots, traders, and potential investors. Now, these techniques aren't just theoretical. They're practical, proven, and tailored for Pumpfun ecosystem. We'll also break down the psychology behind market momentum, how to create excitement, attract engagement, and sustain interest in your project. This isn't just about tools. It's about understanding how traders think and using that knowledge to your advantage. If you're a trader, this is a series just as valuable. By learning the strategies developers use to build hype and charts, you'll be better equipped to identify authentic opportunities and spot red flags before they cost you money. A quick reminder, this is not financial advice. This series is for educational purposes, providing you with the knowledge and tools to make better decisions in this space. Success here isn't about blindly following steps. It's about mastering the nuances, adapting to market, and staying one step ahead. In the next episode, we'll take a closer look at bundling and creating volume, two foundational strategies that every Pumpfun developer needs to understand. You'll learn how to use these techniques to signal activity, attract bots, and build momentum for your project. We'll also discuss how these same signals can help traders identify opportunities or avoid pitfalls. So if you're ready to dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you're serious about getting started, make sure to stick with this series. Each episode builds on the last, giving you a comprehensive skill set to navigate this space with confidence. Again, appreciate you joining me on the first step for Pumpfun development. So whether you're here to launch your own token or to better understand the game as a trader, this series will give you the knowledge you need to succeed. Grab a notebook, settle in, and let's get started.